Hello everyone. This video is to show you how to join your Zoom room that your instructor is going to send to you, as well as to present your presentation with your classmates. Start from the email that you receive from your instructor or the announcement that you receive in Canvas. It's going to look like zoom.us/ bunch of numbers. Go ahead and copy that and put that in a browser. That browser should take you to the Zoom launch screen and it'll prompt you to download the app. If you don't have it, it will take you right to your room. So there's our instructor, Holly. Now, from this screen, you move your mouse around, you can see some options across the bottom. When you're ready to go, you'll press share. But right now, let's make sure that our audio is working. So when I speak, you can see the green audio going up and down. That means your mic is working. And if it's not, you can press this up arrow and go ahead and look and try to connect your mic. You're going to need a USB mic that you plug into your computer. Also make sure that if you have a lot of background noise and it's not your turn to present, one of your partners is presenting and your kids are crying, your dogs are barking, your husband's, watching football, mute your mic there so that background doesn't come through the presentation. Now, once you're ready to share, or if you are the team leader or the champion of the group and you have the presentation, wiggle that little mouse again and go ahead and press share. Then from that point you want to select desktop because that's what you were going to share. And now the screen changes a little bit. You can see yourself speaking here, but you're going to want to go ahead and open your presentation. Move this box out of the way and go ahead and click present. So now I'm in present mode, so that the audience, Ursula and your classmates, can see your PowerPoint and you can go ahead and use your arrow keys to click through there. When you are done, press stop share and your audience can now go back to that conversation mode, so you can go back to having that conversation with your instructor. Cheers.